What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of Euro AUD and Euro NZD. What you see on the screen is 4 hour time frame, and we see a significant trading opportunity in both of these instruments. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis, and then we will come back to this time frame to see how we can trade this instrument. Now, first, let's start with Euro AUD to see the bigger picture, starting with the monthly time frame. Now, what we see, first of all, if you look at the bigger picture, Euro AUD is in a strongly downtrend. How do you know the trend direction is from the market structure? Starting from here, which started during this pandemic, we saw a big impulse followed by this correction. There has been another impulse, another correction. There has been another impulse couple of months ago, and we have seen that there was a bearish engulfer with a force breakout to the upside, created this bearish engulfer followed by this another strong bearish candle on the monthly. Later, what we have seen back to back 2 months, significant retracement on Euro AUD. Now, previous months, we have seen that Euro AUD has created a dodgy candlestick pattern. Now, this kind of dodgy is very, very powerful because what we have seen basically after this impulse, these two dodgy and green candle are retracement of this move to the downside. So, that means that the price broke down, created a retracement, retraced to the upside in a significant level. Now, what we see, Euro AUD is preparing for another impulsive move to the downside. Before we consider this is a retracement, let's take our Fibonacci level and placing at the starting of the move to the end of the move. What we see that Euro AUD just been rejected from 50% Fibonacci level, created this doji. Now at this point, what we can expect, Euro AUD just to melt to the downside. So on the monthly time frame, we see that strong bearish price action. Now going down to the weekly time frame, what we have seen that Euro AUD has created a double doji price action. Now in this, after the double doji in the weekly time frame in such a bearish price action, we can expect now a bigger move because the more dodges, the stronger the price action could be. So we can expect that Euro AUD to break down to create even a new lower low. Now going to the daily time frame, what we see that Euro AUD basically what it has done on the daily time frame, we saw that the price has created a series of lower high, created a reversal pattern here. You can say there is a double top formation and then broke down. Today's candle, what we saw, this one went above, tested this daily support. It's a very, very strong level of support here. There is a support on the daily, there is a support on the daily, tested as resistance, even penetrated this resistance, and we saw that Euro AUD now trying to melt to the downside, and we can expect a stronger and bigger move on the daily time frame as well on Euro AUD. So with all that being said, Euro AUD now preparing for a drop. Going to the intraday or 4 hour time frame, what we have seen, Euro AUD tested these 20 period moving averages. What we see, there is a 20 period moving average tested and created a strong pin bar in this downtrending market. And then what we have seen that the 20 period and 10 period, there has been a separation. For the first time, 20 period moving average tested in this extended period on the lower time frame and created a bearish candle. After this kind of move, we can expect a bigger move to the downside, and that is what we are doing. We are considering shorting opportunity according to the rules of our strategy on Euro AUD with a good risk to reward ratio. Now, if you find value in this analysis, smash the like button. Now, let's see on Euro NZD. Now, according to the analysis, Euro AUD and Euro NZD almost has created a similar kind of price action. What you saw on Euro AUD, the same thing, and Euro NZD created a strong bearish pin bar on this level of resistance. You see that there is a local resistance in this trend line. The price has created a false breakout of this trend line to the upside, and closed as a pin bar. Now from here, what we can expect, just to slide to the downside, as you can see that the same price section on euro AU and ZD on the monthly time frame, we saw that there was a strong rejection from the top. With after this bearish engulfer on the monthly, we saw the same kind of pattern back to back 2 months. The price went above, retraced to this level. Now we can expect an impulse to the downside on euro NZD as well, to create even a new lower low. Now if you find value in all of this analysis, then smash the like button. So the same thing applicable with euro NZD, same kind of pattern, same kind of trading opportunity to the downside with a high risk to reward ratio. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.